In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install our 48-volt battery kit. Our kit does not come with the battery, but we have a link on where to buy it. And then our kit does come with this big bracket here with a wiring box, a lid for the wiring box, the hardware you need, and then some of the tools we'll need is a 7/16 socket with an extension. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a 5/32 Allen wrench. Okay, the first thing we'll do is take our bracket here and we're gonna face it in this orientation. You'll see there's a hole down here. We're gonna take our wires that came out of our control box and feed them into this hole. And we're gonna keep pulling it through like this. So we have our slack out. Now you'll see there are 4 tapped holes in the base. So we're going to take our hardware kit here and dump it out. We're going to take these 4 small hex nuts and thread them into the hole by hand to start. And they are a little tricky to get started. If you're struggling, you can always take this bracket off and thread the bolts through first just to clear out the threads. These 2 in the middle here are pretty tough to get to. You're just going to have to take your time and get them started. You can take your socket extension and kind of help you get them started. Last one. All right. So, just like this. So now we're going to take our wrench on here and tighten them up. Now this is plastic, 3D printed, so don't go crazy on tightening these up. Okay, in this next step, we're going to feed the battery through here. I like to do it like this. And we'll leave it loose right now. Let's see if I can get this bar out of the way here. So what we'll do now is take the charging cord, and what we'll do is we'll slide the wire into this slot here, and then we'll just push it down. It should kind of snap in there. And then we'll take the power cord. When you connect these, it'll probably do a little spark inside here. Doesn't always do it. And then we'll shove all the wires down into here and put this in the slot here. All right, this is what it should look like. Close up here. All right, the next step is I've started these 4 self-tapping screws into the lid here. And we're just gonna put the lid on like this and use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten them down. Just like that. Okay, now we can adjust our battery where we want it. You can put it wherever you like. I'm going to put it around here. Then we're going to take our 2 long bolts and our nuts. We're going to put our bolts through here. And then we're going to take a nut and start it here. Now you can push the nut in. You should take your 5/32 Allen here and be able to tighten it up. Alright, so when we get to this point, we really don't need to tighten this up a lot. Just feel your battery. Tighten it up to where you think, but we don't want to break anything. It just needs to be enough to keep this battery from moving. So just keep that in mind. Obviously, if you go too much, you're going to crack the plastic. There you go. All right, once you got the lid screwed on, all you need to do in order to charge this is you're going to take your charging plug, and what you're going to do here is you're going to pull this tab back. You'll see that it opens up the hole so you can charge the battery. And when you're done, you just pull this out and this snaps back shut.